OEM Tools Thread Restoring File Tap and Die Kit is designed to repair and restore minor thread imperfections or damaged bolts, fasteners, and threaded holes. This kit includes SAE and metric sizes that can be used on both left and right-handed threads. Let's get started. You can repair threads on bolts and studs using the die. To repair threads on bolts and studs, determine the diameter of the bolt or stud using a caliper, and use a thread gauge to determine the thread pitch. Secure the bolt using a vise, but do not tighten the vise around the threaded portion of the bolt. That could damage the thread. Apply lubricant to the threads. Rotate the thread chaser around the threads of the bolt using a wrench or socket. Do not use power tools or air tools. You can use the thread file to restore threads on bolts and studs. Determine the thread of the bolt or stud by matching the thread to the cutting teeth on the file. The files are double-ended, providing more thread pitch options. Secure the bolt using a vise, but do not tighten the vise around the threaded portion of the bolt. That could damage the thread. Apply lubricant to the threads. File away any damage and imperfections using a sweeping motion. You can clean dirty, rusted, or lightly damaged threads in threaded holes and fasteners. Select the corresponding internal thread chaser that matches the diameter and thread pitch of the bolt or stud. Apply lubricant to the threads. Drive the thread chaser into the hole or fastener using a wrench or socket. Do not use power tools or air tools.